And we are back, and let's talk about WWE Worlds Collide, where all the NXT UK champions have been
Not
absorbed.
all of them.
Oh, except for the Heritage, but, was that really a champion?
The Heritage Cup was just, it was just...
It was a cup. It was a weird one. So, let's talk about the show. What would you give the show overall? I'm going to give it a full thumbs up.
Absolutely. A full thumbs up. It was a great show.
I liked
there was
it.
Nothing bad about it. It just wasn't, excellent.
Right. So let's talk about our first match, which was...
Can Carmelo Hayes just go to the main roster?
Right? So Carmelo Hayes defending the NXT North American Champion against Ricochet. This was a fantastic opener.
So again, I had my doubts about Carmelo, but I can see why Shawn Michaels really likes Carmelo, because I like Carmelo.
I've always liked Carmelo Hayes. There was always something about him that just clicked with me.
As a character, he's fully matured.
Oh, yeah. I think he has the charisma.
Yep.
He has the presence. He feels like a champion. I love some of the references that they did with, the jerseys going down. That was really cool. And he really elevated.
Give it a thumbs up.
I'm going to give this a full thumbs up as well. I thought the back and forth was awesome. It was a great paced match as well. And I think Ricochet working with Carmelo is not only indicative of Ricochet wanting to work with Carmelo, but the faith that they have of Carmelo hanging with one of the more fast-paced workers like Ricochet. It is hard to work with Ricochet, not because he's bad, because Ricochet is very good, but he's very high-paced. You really have to have a different pacing with Ricochet, and I think Carmelo really held up well with this.
Absolutely.
The false finishes were great, and the one thing I'll have to say, the crowd was hot for this match.
The crowd was hot the whole night.
Oh, absolutely. And I think this was the first match that you were like, wow, I really like this crowd, because it was very intimate, and also it was right there in your face.
It was.
It was great. Now, I like the ending because it keeps it open for more in the future.
Yeah, it was the roll-up, so that was interesting to keep Ricochet strong, but also have Carmelo kind of playing more towards that heelish sentiment that they want. So it's perfect.
Right, absolutely.
I couldn't ask for a better finish. Honestly, roll-ups are bad. No, the roll-up in this case, perfect.
Right. No, it was really good. I really liked it. So let's talk about our next match here.